my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Welcome who is new also. Guys, today we're gonna make some soup. I'm gonna make chicken back and chicken neck soup today. I have pumpkin over here and corn. I even have make my little round dumpling. I have breadfruit, yam, cocoa. I have my chocho and I have my turnip, carrot. Everything is here, guys. And I have pepper that I picked from my garden and thyme from my garden. So guys, I'm gonna start cleaning up my chicken back and my chicken neck, cut them up and wash them with some vinegar and lime and get started. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. I'm gonna clean up my chicken back. So okay guys, I clean up my chicken back and my chicken neck and I wash them with some lime and vinegar. So I'm gonna cut my pumpkin now and get it ready for the pot. Okay guys, got my pot soon boil up now. So I'm gonna peel half of this. Hopefully it will color it. Yeah, it will good to color the soup. I'm gonna use half of this in the soup. So stay tuned guys while I clean up this and wash it also. So okay guys, my water is boiling as you can see. It's boiling, so I'm gonna add my pumpkin first and I'm gonna add my chicken back. I'm going to add my pumpkin and I'm going to add my chicken back now guys. I'm going to make the cook while I put up my other recipe. I prepared my other stuff. So okay guys, so just stay tuned, keep watching. And just make sure everything is in the water. I'm gonna prepare my corn and my carrot and stuff guys. So I'm gonna make this boil up again before I add my corn. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm cutting my carrots for my soup. I cut one already and 1.5. I cut them in different style. I'm gonna cut this half now. I cut them in moon shape and I cut them in horizontal style, circle, and I'm gonna cut some in half, cut them in round and then cut it in half. That's for the decoration of the soup. So okay, that one is finished. I'm gonna cut some round ones now. And I'm just gonna cut them in two now. It's half moon. We call these ones half moon. Okay, so I finished cutting my carrots. I'm gonna add my corn to my pot now because the pot is boiling, as I can see. The pot is boiling up, so I'm gonna add my corn. I'm washing my corn to add. I'm gonna add my corn on the cob, and I'm gonna stir it up again. Now I'm gonna peel my turnip and my chocho and stuff. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. So okay guys, as you can see my pot is coming on, my pumpkin is coloring up my soup. So now I'm gonna add my turnip and chocho and carrots. I'm gonna add the carrot. I wash everything already. So I'm just gonna add them. So I'm gonna now peel my cocoa and my yellow yam and my breadfruit. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit more before I add in the other rest of stuff. So stay tuned guys and watch I cook my chicken back and chicken neck, corn and pumpkin soup. Somebody give me these chicken neck, and one of my subscribers give me the chicken neck and chicken back to make the soup. He donated to make soup this today. So I'm gonna need my dumpling, peel my cocoa and my yam, and I'll be right back. Okay guys? Okay guys, I'm peeling my cocoa. I don't know. I don't remember if it's left man cocoa this or I don't know the name. We have a name for it back home. The red cocoa, I think it's left man. The white cocoa is a different name. I don't know. Tell me what cocoa is this one I'm peeling, guys, in the comment section. And what cocoa is the white one? I don't remember the name. It's a long time. I know they call one left man cocoa, but I don't remember which one they call left man cocoa. So you tell me in the comment section which cocoa is this one. So this is my cocoa, guys. I'm gonna peel my yellow yam too. Wow. No, this is overripe yellow yam. This is overripe yellow yam. This yellow yam supposed to dig a month before it dig. So it's burning, start burning. Okay guys, I'm gonna wash it anyway. I'm gonna wash it. Okay guys, so I'm slicing them very thin because I want everybody to get a piece. And everybody get a little bit of the yellow yam. That is not much. Every little bowl gonna get a little piece. Okay guys, I'm gonna catch some water on this. Okay guys, so as you can see, my soup is looking good. I'm gonna add my yellow yam and my cocoa now. Because the yellow yam is turning dark already, so I'm just adding everything now. As you can see guys, the pot is full. I want to put my breadfruit last because it's not so young as how I want it. So I'm putting in my breadfruit and my dumpling at the same time. Because it's a little bit fullish. So I'm going to make this boil up again guys, and then I add my breadfruit and dumpling and season it. Okay guys? So stay tuned and don't go anywhere, and tell me how you make your chicken back soup, if you make it the way I make it guys. So here I have my breadfruit here. I'm gonna peel it now. I'm just using half, and I have my basin with my dumpling over here, what I peel already, what I make already, need already. So I'm gonna look about that, and I'll be right back with you guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, I'm adding my breadfruit. I want 2 Irish potatoes to give my soup a little body. So I just add my breadfruit and my potatoes. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna add my dumpling and my seasoning. Just giving it, you know, I don't want my breadfruit to cook too much because it was very full. So I'm giving it a couple more minutes, and then I add my seasoning and my dumpling. So as you can see guys, it's looking very nice. So as soon as the potato cook, may thicken up the soup a little bit, give it a little body, and not too so watery. So stay tuned guys. So okay guys, I'm making my little spinners to put inside now. I'm not gonna do everything. I'm gonna leave some of this to cook. I have 2 finger banana to cook tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave some for tomorrow. But for right now, I'm making maybe half of it. So guys, see how my soup color up nice. I just use half of my little pumpkin, of my little squash pumpkin, Canadian pumpkin. My soup is looking very nice. So okay guys, my scallion is ready. And I have my thyme and my Scotch bonnet. I just picked from my tree, guys. First one I have a pick is this one. I'm gonna drop it in my soup. I'm gonna drop my thyme. And I'm gonna put my scallion. Guys, see I put thyme this time, guys. Yesterday I don't cook with thyme, but there's only some things I don't cook with thyme. So I'm gonna add my scallion. And I'm gonna add my noodles. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my pumpkin soup mix. Add the pumpkin one and I'm gonna stir it up. And I'm gonna add the cock soup now. Stir it up also, and then I'm gonna leave it to simmer for the next 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. Oh, my soup is looking good. Can't wait to have a bowl of this. And then I'm gonna make you taste it and tell me if I need any adjustment after. After a few minutes, I will go to let my sister taste it, see if it needs any adjustment. If it needs any adjustment, maybe I add another noodle to it, because I'm not going to put no salt. I'm not putting any salt, guys. No salt. So if anything, I add another noodle to it. I have another cock soup here. I'll add it to it. Okay, so stay tuned. Keep watching. I'll be right back. So, okay, guys. My soup is finished. I'm going to dish out a bowl and show you the finished product of my chicken back, chicken neck and corn and pumpkin soup. Guys, it's looking so nice. And the body nice. And smelling nice too. And I have a good body. Not watery at all. So guys, I'm gonna share out a bowl. In my plate over here. As you can see. Get a nice piece of corn. And I lift that corn for myself. That's a special piece of corn. And I'm gonna put chicken back. If I can find a piece of chicken neck to put on the top too. Here's the chicken neck. So guys, this is my finished product of my chicken back soup. All who still drink chicken back soup, I want to see you guys in the comment section. So I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to wipe up my bowl. Let me just clean it up a little bit. So guys, that's my finished product of my chicken back soup with corn and pumpkin. So guys, remember to put in the comment section if you still drink your chicken back soup. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And guys, I put the thyme in this one please. In the soup, it's a must. But there's some things I don't put thyme into. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Okay guys? Remember, tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Thank you. Bye.